Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use my pencil for my eyebrows. I think this is the Wet n Wild one, but I'm gonna put everything in the description box. And now to clean up my brows, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Deep Cinnamon for the top, and then my Laura Mercier 3.5N for the bottom. And now to prime my eyes and set them, use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Medium Beige and use my AB8 Setting Powder in Deep Peach. Now I'm going to use my Card Beauty Hailey vs. Bailey palette. And I'm going to use that shade right there and put that in my crease. And now I'm going to use that other color. I'm just going to use that to come out, blend it out. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Medium Beige to cut my crease. Now I'm going to use that blue shade and put that on my lids, and then I'm going to use that brown shade just on the end of my eyes. And this blue ended up being kind of patchy, so I'm going with another blue from another palette, and you'll see that. And this is where I went in with the Morphe 39L palette, and I took that blue in there and just went over that other blue that I put down, and it was better, so it turned out much better. And now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. Now I'm going to use my dual lash glue and my Ioni Wispy lashes. Now I'm going to use my Essence Lash Princess Mascara and my Sephora pencil just to make sure there's no gap showing. Moving on to the face, I'm going to use my Dickinson toner. And for my moisturizer, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Moisture Filler Moisturizer. For my primer, I use my Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Pore Primer. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Orange Corrector to correct the dark spots on my face. And y'all know I'm putting on my foundation. I used the Maybelline and Revlon foundation. I mixed those two together. And now for more coverage, I'm just going to go in with my Deep Cinnamon Concealer. Put that all places where I put the orange corrector. And now to highlight, I'm going to use my Mercier Concealer in 3.5N. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place bronzer in dark, and I'm going to use the lighter color for my contour and for the contour of my nose, and also for my jawline, and darker color to bronze the rest of my face. And now I'm going to use my Urban Decay setting powder, just my translucent powder. My all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place blush palette, and I'm going to use those two colors for a blush, and then that one shade for my highlight. And for lips, I'm going to use my lip liner Brownie from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to use my MAC lipstick. I think that's from the Black Panther collection. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of my concealer right in the middle, just to lighten it up a little bit. Setting spray, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it, y'all. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm trying to grow my channel this year, so don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. I want to hear from all of you. Details about this hair. I did a hair tutorial in my last video, so I'll link that in the description box. Thank you for watching, y'all, and I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.